So here's what I got. My Leica Q2. Sorry, I had to look at the top. My Leica Q2 Monochrom. You can tell the difference between these two. It's all black. This is the red dot. And then I also have the Leica Q3 43. Difference between these two and this is that this has a 43mm Summicron f2 lens. I don't know if you can see that. So obviously all these three cameras are really great cameras. I've had the Leica Q2 for about 3 years now, and I've just been in love with it. And when the Monochrom came out, I always was confused about why you would want a camera for just black and white, but it kind of reminds me of back in the day when I first started. I mean, black and white film, that was what we had. The color was great, but there was something about black and white, and I've only had this not very long at all, a week maybe, and it's been freaking wonderful. I even closed my eyes to say that for emphasis. So I'm gonna go, actually I'm gonna show you what I shot so far, okay? Gorgeous. Anyway, so I'm gonna take all these out to my niece's wedding this weekend. I also have a shoot lined up next week sometime. I don't use the same cameras, and I have one upcoming in the future. I'm gonna do the same thing. And then stay tuned for the photos and my process again. And let's see what happens.